Are you a Binagoongan lover? If yes, you'll love this tender, tasty pork belly cooked in flavorful shrimp paste sauce. Pork Binagoongan is super easy to prepare. That comes together in 30 minutes. Are you ready to start cooking? We will need 500 grams pork belly cut into small pieces. Fry the meat in a pan without oil in medium heat. Let it cook until fat renders. Occasionally stir to cook all sides until pork is light brown in color. Remove pork from the pan and transfer in a bowl. Set aside. Add cooking oil if needed. Fry sliced eggplant over medium heat. Turn the vegetable to cook the other side. Remove eggplant from the pan and transfer in a plate. Set aside. Using the same oil, we will sauté some garlic. Followed by sliced onion. Then, add sliced tomatoes. Gently mash tomatoes to release its juice. Let it cook until tomatoes are wilted. Tip in the cooked pork belly back into the pan. Stir to distribute the ingredients. Add the umami-rich sautéed shrimp paste. Scrape all the tastiness into the pan. Let it simmer for the flavors to infuse. Add the long green chili and red chili pepper. Mix to incorporate. Add a dash of pepper to season and optionally some salt if needed. Pour a cup of water. Mix to submerged ingredients. Let it simmer until liquid is reduced and pork is soft and tender. Add the fried eggplant. Mix and simmer for another minute. Remove from heat and transfer in a serving dish. If you like this video, please follow Amiable Foods for more recipes.